Salesforce, a leading customer relationship management (CRM) software provider, faced a significant setback as its shares plummeted by 16% following a revenue miss in its first quarter earnings report for the fiscal year 2025. Despite high expectations, the company's performance fell short of analysts' estimates, leading to concerns among investors and analysts alike. In the first quarter of fiscal year 2025, Salesforce reported its earnings, revealing a weaker than expected revenue outlook. The company's revenue forecast for the second quarter came in below market estimates, indicating potential challenges ahead. This announcement triggered a sharp decline in Salesforce's stock price, causing alarm among shareholders and analysts. The disappointing results have raised questions about Salesforce's growth prospects and ability to sustain its market position in the highly competitive CRM industry. Analysts are closely monitoring the company's performance and its strategies to address the underlying issues affecting its revenue growth. Salesforce's management attributed the revenue miss to various factors, including macroeconomic uncertainties, changing market dynamics, and increased competition. The company emphasized its commitment to addressing these challenges through strategic initiatives aimed at driving long-term growth and profitability. Despite the setback, Salesforce remains optimistic about its future prospects and continues to invest in innovation and product development. The company is focused on expanding its product offerings, enhancing customer engagement, and strengthening its position in key markets globally. Investors are closely watching Salesforce's next steps and how it plans to regain investor confidence amid the recent downturn in its stock price. Analysts are expecting more clarity from the company's management regarding its growth strategy and execution plan in the coming quarters. So, Salesforce's shares took a significant hit after the company reported weaker than expected revenue for the first quarter of fiscal year 2025. The revenue miss has raised concerns among investors and analysts about the company's growth prospects and competitive positioning. As Salesforce works to address these challenges, investors are eagerly awaiting updates on its strategic initiatives and future outlook.